Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. The binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 11th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. It's binary time, yes. And this one will be number 9423. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be an easy one. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 O's, 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's, double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's here, one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones here, no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones here, no, there no. Well, we have here 3 O's. I cannot place the number 4 there. Otherwise, we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not around one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's here, one, there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one without comparing. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.